Okay, now here a ring is there. Here force is applied at a distance of r by 2 tangential force. In the previous class we discussed a force is acting at the topmost point. Here it is acting at a distance of r by 2. Now what is the tangential acceleration? What is angular acceleration? Is nothing but r alpha. What is angular acceleration? What is the frictional forces? If frictional forces is positive, then it will be forward direction. If it is negative, it will be backward direction. Right? Now let us start. For translational motion, translational. So F plus F is producing a linear translational motion. That is F plus F, which are both are in the same direction, equals to M into A. Right? Now rotational motion. See rotational equation. So what is rotational equation? Here a torque is in anti-clockwise direction. So clock is acting about this center. That means this distance is what? R. Here this force about this center is F into what? 2R. Both are anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. If I want to write the net force equation, minus F, here I am writing minus F into R by 2 minus F into R equals to I alpha. So if it is a ring, I is nothing but I equals to mr square, and we are assuming that it should be in the pure rolling. So this friction will support R knots. Now frictional forces, A is equals to R alpha for pure rolling condition. Now alpha is equals to A by R. Substituting in that equation, minus will get cancelled, that is F, right? Minus F, this is F by 2, here plus I am taking it as, into R equal to this side I am transferring it as what? Minus, equals to mr square into A by R. R will get cancelled, here R will get cancelled. Now what I am getting? F by 2 plus small f equals to m into A. So this is the first equation, this will be the second equation. So from 1 and 2 equations, f plus f is equals to m into A. This is f by 2 plus f is equals to ma. So if you add both the equations, we want here to subtract it as, if I subtract this one, so what I will be getting, can you tell me? If I want acceleration here, okay. So what we are trying to calculate, in this case acceleration. So it has to be a reverse. So these two will get cancelled. So this is nothing but already we have this negative sign emanates. So here also negative, here also negative. Negative of negative plus, this is f minus f by 2, which is f by 2 equals to 2ma. So what is acceleration? A is equals to, just a cross multiplication, f by 4m, right? F by 4m. This is what? Acceleration, tangential acceleration. Now what is the angular acceleration? So angular acceleration, if you substitute here alpha A value, if I substitute, then what I get? F by 4m. Take that and substitute in that one, right? F by 4m, that is A F by 4mr. 4mr is what? Alpha. Now what is the friction? So we want to calculate friction. Here what we got? Acceleration A is equals to F by 4m, first equation, and alpha equal to, second one is alpha equals to f by, how much we got it as? Here I think f by 4 mr, 4 mr, and we want frictional forces. So f plus f is equals to m into a. Simply substituting that one. So f plus small f is how much? Small f is, we have to calculate, equals to m into small a is f by 4m. So this will get cancelled, and m will get cancelled. Take this f minus f by 4m, 4 equals to f. That means how much we are getting? 3f by 4. That is nothing but f is equals to 3f by 4. This is what frictional force. That means frictional forces are acting in forward direction. So F is 3F by 4, applied force is F. Right? Then it comes into what? Pure rolling. Is it clear this one? Check it. So you take some values here and calculate, because this frictional forces will depends on what? The applied force. Now let us take applied forces. Take it down the example. Applied forces 10 newtons. Applied force is 10 newtons. Radius is 2 meters. Radius is 2 meters. Then now can you tell me what is mass is equals to, m is equals to 2 kgs, m equal to 2 kgs. Then what are the values of A, alpha and frictional forces? Come calculate it, type in the answer. So what you will be getting here? Acceleration A is equals to f by 4m. F is how much? 10 by 4 into m. M is 2. This one's 5. That is nothing but 5 by 4 meter per second square. 5 by 4 meter per second square. Now what is the value of alpha? So alpha equals to 10 by, alpha value is 10 by 4 into 2 into 2. One's a 5, which is alpha is equals to 5 by 8 meter radian per second square. Now what is the frictional forces? If you take the frictional forces here, if I want frictional forces. So here it is 10 plus F is equals to, mass is how much? 2 kgs into acceleration is 5 by 4. 5 divided by 4. This is 1's 2's 5 by 2. Okay. So that is 10 minus 5 by 2 equals to F, which is nothing but 20 minus 5 by 2 equals to F. So 20 minus 5, how much it is? 15 by 2 equals to F. This is nothing but newtons. Is it clear, that one? But if you are taking this side, this will become what? Negative side. Am I right? Becoming negative side as I am taking this side. Negative side. So here it is what? Negative, which is acting in which direction? Backward direction. Acting in backward